Okay, apologies in advance for the lighting on this particular video. I'm actually in a hotel at the minute and it's quite tricky to get the lighting right, but here you can see the HTC Rhyme, and attached to it is the charm that a lot of people have mentioned. The charm plugs into the 3.5mm audio port there, and it's designed for there's a little clip on there as well, so that little silver clip, that clips onto your handbag or your clothing, and then this pokes out and it will let you know if you've received a text message like I have now, or whether you've got a missed call, or the phone is actually ringing. It pulses in different ways depending on what is happening with your phone. And then I guess for the ladies, you can locate your phone by pulling the cable until the phone pops out. It clips in like that into the 3.5mm audio port. The phone itself, this is a HTC Rhyme in plum, and it's got a 5-megapixel camera on the back with an LED flash and 720p HD video recording. The camera itself is very nippy, I must say, very quick to respond. If I just activate the camera here and I can take photos, there's no lag between the shutter press and the actual photo being taken. It's very quick. Down the bottom here we've got the touch sensitive buttons, which are hard to show on this lighting, but there you can see home, menu, back, and the search. We've got that 3.5mm audio port, which I'll show you in a moment. We've got Bluetooth version 3. We've got Wi-Fi. We've got DLNA, which means that we can beam media to connected devices. We've got this friend stream interface here, which we can slide up and down and keep in touch on Facebook or Twitter. This is a very nice interface, I must say. Obviously the HTC Sense, you can see it scooting around there. It's very nippy, I must say. Using the text messaging interface as I just have now, it's very quick indeed, and very smooth to use. As I say, yeah, 1 GHz CPU, Bluetooth 3, and we've got all the sensors, the usual sensors. You can perhaps see them on the top here if I hold it in the right light, but on the top left is the proximity sensors, light sensors, the G sensor, and the digital compass, of course. We've got the GPS inside. We've got a VGA camera up the front here for your video calls, which you should be able to see if it ever focuses. Sorry about this. See, hotels are not built for filming, or, well, perhaps they may be for certain movies. Anyway, moving on, we've also got the 1600 milliamp hour battery, so it should be fairly good on the actually keeping charge. Now, we can plug in a little charm like that, which will stop flashing when you actually clear off the message or the call log. We've also got these headphones. These are sort of Tangle free headphones. It's almost like tagliatelle spaghetti, this stuff. It's really good. The headphones and the audio quality is fantastic with these in. I must admit, it really is good. I mean, I can play music, and I'll just use this here, and we'll fire up the music interface. Let's just get to the home. So press home, that might be worth pressing. Now we'll play some music. This is Lana Del Rey Video Games, the Solar Stone remix, by the way. Now I can adjust the volume with the volume on the side here, which is just there. Again, hard to see, sorry about this. This section here slides down, it reveals the micro SD card and the SIM card. There's the 3.5mm on a very nice curvy top, power button there. The micro USB connector is behind this flap here, but you can charge the phone using this cradle here, which you may have seen in the corner of the shot. Place the phone on there, and this also becomes a speaker, a stereo speaker assembly. It connects up with, see these 3 connection points here? They meet up with 3 connection points on the back here. As you can see, look, it's focused at last. and that will turn your phone into a sort of a desktop alarm clock type thing. You can have it by the side of your bed, as I have here in the hotel room, or you can have it on your desktop in your office environment. And here we can control the audio on the left. We've got the big time clock, the weather, tells you where you are just in case you've forgotten. And this can access your applications, so you can still use stuff like that. We can dim the brightness, say I'm going to go to sleep now, and calendar and phone. Now I'm going to start the music up again, and we can control the volume here with this slider. Better just turn that down so I don't annoy the fellow hotel residents. But it plugs in here, micro USB cable plugs in the back there. This is a very nice, well designed and well built bit of kit here. It's not plasticky at all, it's actually got some material around the edge of this here, which is again hard to see in this light, but this is all material here. And it's a very nice bit of kit, I must admit. This is a HTC Rhyme in plum. The only bit I can't figure out is why the Bluetooth name for it is HTC Desire S, but it is definitely the HTC Rhyme, and we've only got it for a few days, so it's a bit of a video overview for you, and we'll put more photos on coolsmartphone.com shortly.